Odyssey Re is a worldwide reinsurer with business in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. As part of their global strategy, the company is trying to gain a stronger foothold in Canada. ILS-TV spoke to Lambert Morvan, Odyssey Re's chief agent in Canada, to find out how that strategy is working.
In Canada, we wrote approximately $43 million of business last year. This year, sort of on track to be approximately the same premium level. I mean, Canada is actually one area where Odyssey Re, as part of their strategy of international growth, would be try to get a bigger footprint, I guess, in Canada in the following years. So, actually, in the last 5 years, as I've been shrinking in the last 5 years, and the primary reason for that, actually, there's two reasons for that. Number one reason is a lot of companies, because we were in reinsurer, they decided to not renew as much reinsurance. I mean, a lot of proportional contracts disappeared in the marketplace, so it took a lot of premium out of the marketplace, and it's sort of kept internally with the insurance companies. The other thing was the market softening. So with a lot of rates softening, there's actually some accounts that became not very attractive anymore to participate on, so we cut a little bit of our shares on some of those accounts. So it's a combination of both. But I think I believe now that the market cycle is poised to actually stabilize or even starting to get rates up a little bit. I mean, we're seeing that in the on the personal lines on the Ontario Auto product, where companies now are starting to increase rates. And I'm sure on the reinsurance side, we'll start to see that a little bit more too going forward. So I think we're poised to actually get some growth in the next few years. The rates have stabilized, and in some pockets where profitability was a real issue, I mean, you're starting to see rates increasing in the primary insurance side. I'm sure on the reinsurance side will be the same thing. I mean, some accounts that have experienced bad loss over the last couple of years. I mean, this summer was a fairly active storm season, a few storm losses, so we expect some of the lower layers on the property cat programs on their insurance companies to have rate increases for this coming renewal.